Here we have a 2019-20 Ford Transit Custom. Trying to do an AC regas. The first connector is on the top, so it's easy to access. And the second one, you have to take the headlight out. The two screws, one here and one on the top, and then unplug the connector for the headlight. And the second connector is right there on the bottom. And then it depends of the type of AC they have. If they have the front only, it takes 740 gram, and if it's double AC back and front, then it takes 1 kilo 0.15 gram. So this particular model is R134A. Even though the van is 2019 or 20, but still using this old gas R134A. And it takes 0.74 or 740 gram. I'm just doing it right now. It's vacuuming at the moment, 3 minutes left.